Hello everyone, this is the selection guidance for shower room. We summarize the precautions for selection of shower room here. You could choose the shower room style that's suitable for your home. So, when selecting the shower room, the following tips could be the reference for you. 1. Check the glass. Glass is the core component of the shower room, and tempered glass, with a transparent appearance, no impurities, the CCC certification and precisely polished chamfer and corner rounding treatment are necessarily to be ensured. 2. Check the profile. The shower room profile is the metal frame that supports and moves the tempered glass. It's recommended to use the material of SS304 or high quality aluminum alloy. 3. Check the accessories pulley. Propose to select SS304 material, which makes the service life of pulley more than 30,000 times. Gasket strip, protecting the glass by preventing from the self-explosion and ensuring waterproof function. Hinge, SUS precise casting, material of SS304 for more durability and safety. Handle, choose a sleek appearance that is comfortable while opening closing the door. 4. Check the sealing performance. The sealing performance of shower room mainly depends on the connection between glass and wall around, the gap sealing between gasket strip and glass, the magnetic performance between the neighbor gasket strips, and the gap between shower room and stone foundation, etc. 5. Check the certificate. The CCC certificate, quality inspection report, and patent certificate of the products directly reflect the product quality. 6. Check the style. The selection of one suitable shower room is based on the layout of bathroom, the regular shower room styles such as straight shape, L shape, and diamond shape. Now I'd like to recommend one new style of hinge LH041 of KINLONG shower room. The width of guide rail is only 30 mm. It adopts the extended long strip style stainless steel hinge, and the door sash can be open 180 degrees maximum. The minimalist design effectively prevents the glass from dropping, enhances better stability for the shower room, and creates minimalist and comfortability for home environment. In addition to customized shower rooms, KINLONG can also customize accessories such as shower faucets, towel racks, and floor drains as well as other bathroom hardware to ensure high quality products with good bathing experience. Customized shower room, KINLONG is your best choice.